In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page template in Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. Then click Themes. If Themes is already selected, stay there. On your current theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, and the preview will load on the home page. At the top center of the editor, click the drop-down that currently says Home Page. In that drop-down, click Pages. You'll now see the page templates that already exist in the theme. Scroll to the bottom of that list and click Create Template. A dialog box will appear. In the name field, type Custom Landing. Say the words naturally as you enter them. Custom, then Landing. Leave the Based on drop-down set to Default Page. Then click Create Template. The editor now loads this new template, and it will look like the default page layout for now. In the left sidebar, look through the sections that belong to this template. Find the section called Page. This is the default page content area. Next to Page, click the eye icon to hide it. Once that is hidden, the default content section is removed from view, and the template becomes a blank canvas for the layout you want to build. Now click Add Section in the left sidebar. From the section library, scroll down until you find Image with Text, then click it. The section is added to the template and will also appear in the preview. In the sidebar, click the New Image with Text section to open its settings. Inside the section settings, click Select Image and upload the photo you want to use. After the image is selected, go to the heading field and type Welcome to our store. Enter it in a natural pace. Welcome, then to, then our store. Next, click into the text field and type, We create handmade goods with care and quality. Enter the sentence fully so it appears as the supporting text for this section. If you want to, adjust the image width or the layout settings using the controls in this same panel. Next, add another content section. In the left sidebar, click Add Section again. From the section library, click Rich Text. Once it appears in the sidebar, click the Rich Text section to expand its settings. In the heading text field, type Our Story. Keep it exactly as the section title. Then move to the body text area and type the body text you want for this page. Enter the full text directly into that field so the rich text section displays your written content underneath the heading. With both sections added, you can now arrange them in the order you want. In the left sidebar, move your cursor over a section until you see the drag handle, which looks like 6 dots. Click and drag a section up or down to change its position. Do the same with any other section until the layout matches the order you want on the page. Once you're happy with the structure, go to the top right corner and click Save. That stores the changes to your new page template. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now you need to assign this template to an actual page. In the top left corner, click the back arrow to leave the theme editor or return to the Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, click Online Store. Then Pages. In the top right corner, click Add Page. In the page title field, type About Us. Enter the words clearly, About, then Us. On the right side of the page settings, find the Theme Template drop-down. It will usually show Default Page at first. Click that drop-down and choose the template you just created. Select the custom template you made with the name Custom Landing. Then click Save. After saving, the page uses the custom template you built. When the page is open in a browser tab, it shows the layout you created with the Image with Text section and the Rich Text section, instead of the standard plain page layout. That same custom template can also be selected from the Theme Template drop-down for any other page you want to assign it to.